So today we are going to have a look at one of the best websites for real estate lead generation, which is known as Zillow. In Zillow, basically what we will see is that what is real estate lead generation, how can one do real estate lead generation, and how can you make money out of real estate lead generation. What we are being able to see in this case is, for example, let us see in the case of real estate lead generation, we will see step by step. For example, first of all, I want you to go to the website Zillow. In this website, what you're going to see is it's a website for buying and selling houses. It's a website where you can buy and sell houses. So over here, what we are going to do is we are going to type in Houston, Texas. What we see over here is that we are seeing lots of houses. Some houses are $400,000, some are $410,000, some are $425,000, some are $250,000. So these houses, all of these houses, these are the houses which the owner have put forward to sell on this website, and real estate agents require you to find the name, address and location and email address of the potential owners so that they can contact the prospective sellers and help them sell the house. And when they're going to sell the house, and if the real estate agents can cut a good deal between a buyer and a seller, in that case he gets a very good percentage. He gets a good percentage which is quite big in amount. So in that case, the real estate agent basically gets benefited, gets a high payment. So basically this is how you get this is what real estate lead generation is. You will extract these are called prospective sellers. You will extract the information of prospective sellers, and then you will find their home address or contact information, email address or valid phone number, and then give it to your real estate agents, who will then next help you to find the owners, to find somebody who wants to buy the home, and he will strike a deal and make a big commission. So for this purpose, our main aim should first be to find the information of prospective sellers. This is called prospective sellers in the language of real estate. You have to understand step by step what it is. Okay, for example, this is called prospective sellers. Let's go to another home, for example, over here. Let's write El Paso, Texas. I will do step by step on the houses and locations and counties which are the best for real estate lead generation. Let me write El Paso, Texas. Or let's write San Antonio, Texas. And here you go again, San Antonio, Texas. So basically, as you can see, there are 4,210 agents right now. So if you even sell one lead for $1 or $2, you can make at least close to $8,000 or $7,000 from just over here. Just have a look. This is unreal. Just have a look at this. So in this is what I'm requesting you, learn the basics first. Don't just run into videos or run into stuff or run for different stuff where you say be a millionaire within one day, copy paste videos. Those things don't work. So if you are able to collect your real estate leads from here, you will be able to sell them to a real estate agent, who will then next pay you for these leads, for these informations. These people are known as potential sellers. This address. And in my upcoming videos I shall show you, I shall step by step I shall give you a step-by-step analysis or a step-by-step peek into how you would sell your houses, and the best counties for real estate, the best states for lead generation real estate, and the counties where you should start and how you should start. How are you going to collect the information of these prospective sellers? Then how are you going to find prospective buyers for your information, or prospective clients for lead generation? How are you going to find good real estate agents, genuine paying real estate agents for your lead generation? So I will be giving all of these out step by step in the near future. Till then, I want you to basically take care and